Again, mommies and daddies, judges' decisions are final. Okay? While they are still tabulating the scores of our contestant, let me just repeat the prizes that anybody can win this. Okay? So again, for today's preliminary screenings, we will only get 2 kids. Okay, 2 kids that will proceed to the regionals. And again, to those who will not be able to get in today's preliminary screening, you can join again on August 12. Ayan, may another preliminary screening. So yung mga anak niyo po na gusto pang mag-explore, mag-audition, pwede pa po on August 12. Okay? Again, those who will make it through the prelims will get to compete at the regional finals. And those who will win at the regionals will get to the grand finals and have the chance to follow it. First, a total of 100,000 worth of cash and SM gift certificates. Number 2, 30,000 worth of Toy Kingdom gift cards. Number 3, brand new Suzuki Espresso Special Edition MDNC. And number 4, a 1-year management contract from Sparkle GMA Artist Center and 100% discount on tuition fee and miscellaneous fees at National University. Another trip to Hong Kong for 2 for 5 days and 4 nights. And annual pass certificates for unlimited bowling game and skating admission valid for 1 year. And 30 regular ride tickets at SM by the way, amusement park Sky Ranch, and another gift vouchers for a 2-night stay with breakfast for 2 at the Radisson Blu Cebu. Ayan. And of course, SM Little Stars 2023 is in partnership with National University, Sparkle GMA Artist Center, and Suzuki. SM Super Malls also would like to thank and acknowledge our media partners: Philippine Star, Manila Bulletin, Daily Tribune, Village Connect, Business Mirror, Manila Times, Philippines Graphic, DWIZ's 97.9 Home Radio, Aliyo Malaya, and Filipino Mirror. Okay, again, for today's SM Little Stars 2023, we have to get only 2 kids who will win and will proceed to the regionals. Ayan. And again, to those who will not qualify for today's screening, see you on August 12. Ayan. Again, mga mami, we have to remember the criteria for judging for this SM Little Stars 2023. Star quality 40%, personality 20%, and of course, talent 40%, and that will give us a total of 100%. Again, we'd like to thank our board of judges, Ma'am Karen, Sir Ralph, and Dr. Emily. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Ayan. So, I guess it's about time. By the way, a special announcement. The winners for today's preliminary screenings who will qualify for the regional finals will be announced in the 5 days in the official Facebook page of SM City of Uptown. So mga mommies and daddies, you don't have to wait until the end of today's prelims because the announcements will be made online. Okay, abangan nyo yan sa official Facebook page of SM City of Uptown or via the microsite www.smsupermalls.com/SM-Little-Stars. Again, you can check on the microsite www.smsupermalls.com/SM-Little-Stars. Ayan, yung ating mga production staff po, namimigay po ng balloons. I hope your kids can be able to get one. Good luck to all the contestants in 5 days. It will be posted on the Facebook page of SM City of Uptown or, via microsite, www.smsupermalls.com/SM Little Stars. Ayan!